Okay, now to the last part, report based on a query. So now you're supposed to create a query. So classes, create, query design. Okay, show table. You're supposed to add both tables. Make sure your relationship is there. Okay, enlarge the table. Okay, so now list the class details, including instructor's name, course per session, and maximum number of participants for the particular class. So basically the most important thing that you will need will be instructor first name. Okay, you click onto instructor first name and then drag it down to here, let go, and then next will be course per session. Here, drag down, and then maximum number. Here, drag down. Okay, these are the three main things that you need. Okay, but actually class details, so maybe you might want to include based on your personal preference. You might want to include like maybe the class type. Okay, the class type, and what else? Or maybe also including the program ID. Just drop down. Okay, so now part 1 is done. So you need to make this query dynamic so that George, which is the owner of the company, can choose to select any day. So any day, so you definitely need to include your day here. Pulling down. Okay, but you are not supposed to show this in your form, in your query. So you unmark a thing, and under the criteria here, okay, you just type enter any day, semicolon. You're supposed to open and close with a square bracket. Okay, so done. Okay, so you want to know why do you unmark the box? So you just go run. See, when you run, you have to enter any day. So for example, George want to know how many classes are there on Friday, so you just type in Friday. Okay, so we'll just show there will be 2 classes on Friday, these 2. So back to design view. Next part of the question, create a new field, which is a calculated field that will create a column in your report showing the total maximum revenue for each class. So that means you need an extra column, which is here, total maximum. There isn't a total maximum in your table data, so you have to type it out. So total max revenue, colon is actually equivalent to the equal sign in this access. So now in order to calculate the total maximum revenue, right, you need to know like it's like example, you have a maximum number per class. So you see the total maximum number of participants and the cost per session. So it's like, let's say for example, one class you have 30 students, you can have a maximum of 30 students. So you need to find total maximum revenue will be $30 times the cost per session. Sorry, not $30, 30, which is the total maximum number times the cost, maybe like let's say $10 per session. So you have 10 times 30. So this is actually a formula, you have to key it in yourself. Open square bracket, key in cost per session, close the bracket, times, which is your asterisk, open square bracket again, maximum number of participants. You have to follow exactly whatever data that is in your table. So then close bracket, enter. So once it's done, you close Okay, save changes, yes. You're supposed to save it according query. So you can maybe see dynamic query, and then maybe your name. Okay, so how does this work? Click onto the dynamic query, any day, let's say Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday there is this tool, and then this is your total maximum revenue. See, maximum number of participants times the cost per session give you maximum revenue. So it's like assuming everyone applied for that fitness class. So done, close off. So next, create a report based on the above query. What you need to do is actually click on, based on the query, so you have to click onto the query, create report wizard, basically everything, because it's based on the query, so just everything, and then finish. Okay, so enter any day, let's say Thursday now, Thursday. Okay, so this is your report actually. So on Thursday you have this instructor and then the class time and everything. This will be a report. Close print preview. Okay, now you are in the design view, so you're supposed to include appropriate title. So instructors report. Next is report footer. So same as previously, in your report footer, text box, and then just write it here. It's actually this text here. So your name, student number, Friday. Okay, done. So you want it to be like at the bottom of your report, so you just drag it here. Okay, done. Close. Save changes, yes. So this is your report. So see, click enter any day. Tuesday. Okay. Oops, I typed Tuesday wrongly. Close. Click again. So this is report on Tuesday. Okay, you are done.